6.3. So in the last video, we finished number 1 and 2. So these two parts in this work with worksheets. Now we've continue on 6.3.3. But before that is you see here, if you come to the repository, this is the mind map file. Within this mind map file, if you install the free plan, this open source tool, you can actually to access some linked element. For example, here. So if you click this work client, so what I have linked is there's a certain the open data, but for some data source you need to register, or you need to some is not fully free, so you need to get some license or API key to use those data. But I just provide you, because the author use the temperature as a sample file. So I give you some global data source and domestic China data source for certain the climate and the temperature. But as I mentioned in my sample, I just use one simple vehicle sales the statistic or historical data as a sample. So that's the source data is not a big matter. What the important is we try those method and properties used in this Python library. So let's continue to do this get worksheet. So you may remember last video is when we try to do this load workbook. It's not working on this not our complete of the path, or we see the this kind of absolute path. So you need to use our complete the directory and plus the your file name to make the load. So say here. Let's save this to our another. So let me save this to the 6.3.3. Let's see, this is get worksheet. So the first part is the same. So we will leave this and they will make this load. Then let's delete those. Then what we will have is as a print this workbook get sheet names. So this is our function that can give you all the sheets names. So remember we have 3 worksheets. So I suppose they will get all these 3 worksheets, and you have the alternative way, so use the WB sheets names. So let's try to run. So you can see using the first get sheets sheet name, you get this as a list with 3 elements. That's the same this result. And if you can see, so through the code, we can look at what's the source in this get sheets name and the sheets name. So this one is, let's just click the sheet control and right click that. You can see here, they have our the decorator code depreciated. So at least if you saw that, you would be better to use this recommended one. So that one is a recommend. So from now on, when we want to list the sheets, we will use wb.sheetsnames. And you can also see here, this function actually they also return the self sheets name. So so that means is this one is already the appointed one. So let's see here. Recommended method. You see this already, and once we got this sheets names, we can assign these to our variable. So we get the here we get this by name, but we also can get these names. Actually, it's the sheets names. It's all the sheets, and we can also let's have make those as the comments. Then we load our workbook, our sheets 1 equal to WB dot get sheet by name. So you remember last time is we did this one. So maybe let's use another sheet's name. So this is a string. And then we print. You remember here is if you have these parentheses, so it's better you make them as the with this backslash, otherwise you will get error. So let me print sheet 1. We will print the sheet 1 title. I suppose they will print this one, so let's run. Oh, so here looks like it's unexpected character. Looks like here is no error. So sheets does not exist. Worksheet. So it's better we don't have these parentheses. Make that difficult. So let's use another one. So if I get over number 3 without those special character, let's run this first. So sheets 1 is this one, and print sheet 1 title is this one, and then the sheet 2. So let's use another sheet 2. We use the different way. So it's not parentheses, it's brackets like this way. Then I hope this we can use. Let's make this first one with the parentheses to have a look. And print sheet 2. You can see here. Then using this way, you can prevent this parentheses conflict issue. Even here, it's like our Chinese character is fine. So it's you can see character U plus FF08 is cannot be confused. It could be confused with ASCII. The character, the 0028. So that's the Chinese parentheses and the English parentheses. But it's not error, it's just the warning. So from here you can see we may use this the easier way. So this, let's click this. You can see same as that the first one. So this one is depreciated. This one is also depreciated, and they use this self name, use this way. So that we will have this. Let's also put that as recommended. So let's use WB dot sheets name and the WB with the like you process our list. So this just our processed list 1. So let's just test another thing. So if I give our just our index, what's that mean? So let's see. So index, let's consider is starting from 1. So 0. So the WB2 should be the third one. So worksheet 2 doesn't exist. So that means you must give a name. If you read the source code, then that will be give you a certain way. So this one is not working. So not working like this way. So the argument you gave is the string or the name of your this worksheet. So that's the 633 to give you the ways how you can get the worksheet. And let's create a new one. How to new create a worksheet. We have a 3 worksheet. Let's create another one. So 634 new create worksheet. So let's make the new one. So those we can continue use our existing code. So we have our workbook, and we print use this recommended one. So let's now first we go this our 3 worksheets, and then new worksheets. We will use this create underscore sheet. So new sheets 1 equal to wb dot create sheet. Let's see new sheet 1. This 0 is the position. So if we don't have the position, then this will be added in the last. So let's give a 0. So remember we have our 3 tables worksheet already. So if we use this way, I suppose this the new sheet 1 should before this current the sheets, and then we give new sheets 2, and let's print. Make the print now. So before we have this one, let's verify. So new sheet 1 is here. Now this is coming to the number 1, 2, 3. So if I have our new sheet 2 equal to wb dot create sheet, it's a new sheet 2 without any the position, it will be added in the last. So let's see here, new sheet 2 is here. So then we can print the new sheet 1 title and print new sheet 2 title. So we got these 2. So those are the this way is you can new create our worksheet. And let's stop here. In next video, let's practice delete, move, and copy. See you then.